Well, hi everybody, and welcome back. I'm back at the bench again, and Charlie Mack and Daniel, the Munchkin Modeling Man, are hosting the egg plane group build again this month. I didn't think I'd be able to join this year because I didn't have any egg planes, and I checked a few of the stores around, and there was none available. And then a few days ago, this package came in the mail, and sure enough, it has an egg plane in it. It's from Oron, also known as the Captain on YouTube, and he sent me this egg plane so that I could join in the group build. So thanks very much, Oron. That's a very generous gift. Thanks very much. I appreciate that a lot. I'll dedicate this build to you as well. And this will be coming up next, so stay tuned, and I'll have updates to follow. Okay, so this is what you get in the kit. Instructions here are pretty simple. It's a pretty basic build. Challenge is in the decals. Gives you all these locations for them. Here's the decal sheet. You got your clear canopy and 3 small sprues at the top and bottom of the airplane body, the little wings and the wheels and that. It's already molded in the dark blue, so I think I'm just going to leave it like that and attach the decals, and I'll paint up the little pilot figure here. So should be a nice little build. Once again, thanks so much to the Captain, Oron, for gifting me this little kit, and I know it's shipping is so expensive to send stuff to Canada, so that was above and beyond. I really appreciate that. Thanks so much for that, and here we go. I'll start the build. Okay, I'm back with the egg plane build here. I'm in the paint booth. The rockets on the end of the wings had to be painted yellow anyway, so I took some white Stynylrez primer and did those, and the wheels, the landing gear, this is supposed to be white anyway, and the jet exhaust, and I painted just brush painted some Stynylrez white primer on the helmet. Then I airbrushed some Craft Smart Yellow on the wing tips, at the end of the tail fin tips and the rockets, and I brushed it on the helmet. So I'm just going to airbrush a little bit of gunmetal on the rocket's exhausts here, and seal it up with Future, and then I can begin the build.